Hi guys, welcome. I know you have been seeing images like this on your screen and you have been wondering how to create it. Stay with me while I teach you how to create this kind of images. And to I'll be showing you how to create these images and how to change the AI picture to your real face so it does not look AI generated like the one that you see online and on social media. So let's get right into it. Go to your phone and look for your Chrome browser or any browser you use and type search for image creator AI. Put it on your Google and search for it. So let's look at just like this and search for it. So let it load, and this is it. Select the first option that comes out, image creator from Microsoft. So let it load, and then when it opens you'll see something like this. If you are logged in you'll be seeing surprise me, but if you are not logged in, what you will see there is create instead of surprise me, and then you can then tap on create, log in with your email, and then get started. But since I've already logged in, I'll now see surprise me. Then put your prompt. The most important thing about this AI generator is the prompt. Ensure you describe what you want, exactly how you want it to look. The prompt is the most important part of using AI. That's why I tell people that AI can never take away the job of a human being, because if AI keeps doing it, everybody will be getting the same answers. So the reason why you're a human being is to have something different from what AI can do. So the most important thing is your prompt. Please ensure you describe your image just the way you want it to appear. Just like this, I said I wanted a caramel skin lady sitting on an office chair with laptop in front of her, wearing a white suit jacket, looking friendly and professional. So after putting it, let it load. So you see this part that says it is processing. Let it process to bring out the image. So after creating, this is the options it has created, just the way you describe it. Please, the prompt is the most important part of the job as a human being. Then you can now tap on the image to save it on your photos, just like that. So let's do another one. Remember, the prompt is very important. So the second one, let's use a caramel skinned lady sitting, wearing a white shirt. The prompt is the most important thing. Just describe it just the way you want it. Anyhow you want it to look like, describe it. Just imagine it, because it is an AI. Whatever you tell it to do, that is what it will do. So the one that what will make it different from what other people are creating is the prompt, the description you have given to it. Marked with 12 with that live bar means the how many free chances you have. So now I have 11 free chances. So let it create. After putting your prompt, let it create. So it needs time to create. Know that this is free. It is free. You're not paying anything. That's why you have 11. That's why I have 11 chances left. So this from my prompt, this is what it has created. It created three different options for me. So I have to tap on it and save on my device. So that is just how to create it. Please follow me because I'll be teaching you so many things. So after creating our AI image, the next step is to change the face to our face. Go to your browser and type remeka.ai. So let it load, and after typing remeka.ai, let it load, and this is what it brings up. Tap on face swap, the first one. Tap on it and let it load. After loading, it brings you to this page. Then you upload your AI generated image. That is the first one where they say upload image. Upload the AI generated image. This is the AI generated image. Look at it. So I'll just upload it, tap on it and click on done. Then after uploading your AI generated image, scroll down, you will see upload image again. Tap on the image of your face or the face of the person you want to change the AI to. So I'm just going to see the image. I'll change it to. Then you select your image and click on done. Then click on swap. Let it load. It needs some time to load. After processing, it shows you your AI generated image. It's your face on it, just like that. Then you can now download and
Thank you
save
for
on
watching.
your
If
phone.
you found this
Please
helpful,
don't forget
please
to like,
follow,
follow, because I'll be
like,
teaching you so
and
many
leave a
things.
comment for
Bye.
more videos like this.